Priyanka Sharma, editor Newsband, daily English newspaper of Navi Mumbai. Today we have with us a well-known personality in Marathi entertainment industry who has carved a niche both on stage and on television with his spontaneous and natural comedy acting. He rose to fame with Zee Marathi's reality show Foo by Foo, and since then there has been no looking back. He was recently seen in Loot Case as well. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome Mr. Atul Turankar. Welcome, sir.
Hello, Namaskar. Hello, hi. Hi, everybody.
Mr. Turankar, we learned that there was no inclination to join the entertainment industry in the beginning. In fact, you have done your electrical engineering from Mumbai's VJTI college. Then why and when did this shift from engineering to entertainment industry happen?
See, actually, frankly speaking, my life is kind of film story. I used to stay at Lower Parel, which is famously called as Girangaon. It is the heart of Mumbai. And I don't know whether fortunately or unfortunately, being eldest son uh, from middle class family, it was quite obvious to be educated and to get the service or job immediately just to take care of your family. So fortunately, I was a bright student earlier, early days, now also. Then I got a good percentage and I got the admission in VJTI. In VJTI, I was dreaming at that time, कि यार एक अच्छा job मिल जाएगा, we will go out of India and we'll settle. That was my motto, being an electrical engineer in VJT. But once I passed the college, and between see there are so much gap. So after finishing my college, I got 6 months gap, okay, for joining the services anywhere. So for in that 6 months, being a freak bird, मैंने ना एक नाटक ड्रामा कंपनी थी, called as Sampavigam, and I just joined it just to have fun, and I got engaged. मतलब मुझे अच्छा लगने लगा वो. और the beauty of this field is ना, so you have to prove Delhi. It is not like that कि once you got that education, once you got that knowledge, once you got that post, you are settled. No, you have to prove yourself Delhi. So that's the basic challenge, and I like that. So that's why I turned into this field.
Uh, with no background in acting, and in fact, I think you don't have any godfather in the industry also. Was it really challenging, or is it really challenging to join the entertainment industry?
Nothing. I don't think so because I feel कि everyone in this life, everyone on this planet is a good actor. See, now you are interviewing me. I'm answering your questions. I'm giving expressions. I'm giving you. I'm sharing my experience through my words. That is a dialogue delivery. So that is a basic thing. So everybody on this planet, on this earth, is an actor. So it is not. I don't find it difficult to for acting and being God for regarding Godfather and regarding your contacts, no background. I don't think it is required actually because this industry is very so kind to everybody. If you are talented, if you are a good actor, they always welcome you.
When did you get your first major break, and how has been the journey since then?
It was not a kind of break. I just tried that. Okay, that was Foo by Foo in the Marathi industry. That was a stand-up reality comedy show. Okay, it was a skit based show. Skit based, that is a small skit, a small drama for 10 minutes, 20 minutes. I just think चलो कर लेते हैं इसमें क्या है. Then I participated, and then I don't know what happened, and maybe with the blessings, I won that reality show, and industry welcomed me. And since this happened in 2010, Okay, since 2010, this is 2021. Uh, I'm doing well in this industry.
What are the major shows or that you have done or that you recollect or any incident would you like to share with us?
See, being a new to this industry and being a very unexperienced actor, I don't know, मतलब ये कैसे होगा क्या होगा. I just grabbed the opportunity जो आया वो लिया. Okay, and I didn't plan my career, but although every single channel of Marathi industry, that is from television. Okay, I'm telling you, Z Marathi, Colors Marathi, Star Prava. They give me so much opportunities that I feel very lucky that I don't need to struggle. मैंने स्ट्रगल किया नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं, लेकिन वो करवाया नहीं किसी ने मुझसे. I don't know, maybe the blessings or maybe the good things. Yeah, maybe I'm a good actor. That's why.
Any
So
incident
there are
you
so
can
many
share?
shows. I did Foo by Foo Comedy Express. Then I did dance reality show also. And that is a Ika Piksha of by Sachin Pilgaonkar. Jallosh Suvarna Yuga. So that is from RDB Production, Ramesh Dev Productions. And so many comic serials, so many films, Marathi industry. And yeah, I must tell you, I must share the experience of one ad film I did with Shah Rukh Khan. And that was really also very accidental. So I'll tell you afterwards.
Okay. And you are considered to be one of the best comedy actors in Marathi entertainment industry.
I don't think so. I don't think so. I'm not best.
That is,
I'm still learning. I'm still learning. And see, that is the beauty of this field. No, see, you have to prove daily. So once you have proven कि या आज ये मैंने अच्छा काम कर लिया, नो कल भी करना है, परसों भी करना है, और ये करते रहना है. सो जब तक हम लोग करते रहेंगे तब तक आप बेस्ट नहीं हो, आप लर्नर हो, आप सीख रहे हो.
when did you develop? I mean, when did you realize that you have this hidden talent in you, the comedy? And because comedy, we know, is very challenging. It is not easy to make the audiences laugh.
No, everybody like to do the comedy in every family. And my family is a strong pillar, or they told me, yeah, now you're talented, see, you have this talent, or you have this humor inside you. My wife, my father, my mother, my friends, all these members of my family, all my friends, they told me now you can do this, and then I did it.
Yes,
So
and
it's just जो भी है अच्छा है उनका है, जो भी बुरा है वो भी उनका ही है.
you were just talking to us about, telling us about your ad show with the Bollywood king of, Badshah of Bollywood, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. And this was, I think, an ad for Dish TV. And
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
yeah, so how was your experience or how excited and nervous were you while doing the shoot?
See, being very newcomer to this industry and to this field also. See, being Maharashtrian, Marathi people accepted me. Okay, it is quite easy. But beyond that, in Hindi industry or in English industry, how you will survive, how you will get the opportunity. That is the basic thing. So once one of my friend told me, "यार यहाँ पे है, do you go to the audition? They are doing ad for Dish TV." So I was quite busy though in those days. I was shooting almost daily. So I got one holiday, I think Saturday or Sunday. So I went there to the audition. I did audition. They liked me. They told me, yeah, you are shortlisted. Okay, we'll let you know. जैसे सब बोलते, हाँ बताते हैं, yeah, we'll let you know. Okay, that's fine. I just forgot, घर पे आया सो गया. सुबह उठ के वापस शूटिंग चालू हो गया. After 3 days they called me. Then I was shooting. वो पूरे दिन मैंने उनका फोन नहीं लिया. I couldn't talk to them. Next day they send me message. I know you are very busy actor, but once you are free, please connect with us. But okay, it is not like that. But I was shooting, that's why I couldn't pick up your phone. So next day I called them कि क्या है भैया, हाँ ये ऐसा है तो आपका सिलेक्शन हो गया, so you have to come for the costume trial. But no, I can't because I'm shooting. and I'm shooting for at least minimum 5 to 6 days right now. So till 5 to 6 days, I couldn't attend your costume trial or any trial. So the person told me, "Oh, you just missed the opportunity to work with Shah Rukh Khan." Oh my God, it was with Shah Rukh Khan. Oh shit. लेकिन यार I'm just committed. I've given the dates to my producers for 5 days, so I couldn't come. That is my bad luck. I couldn't do that. After 5 to 6 days, I was like, यार even when opportunity I just missed it. After 5 to 6 days, ये मेरे दिमाग में से निकल भी गया था. That same person called me again. Hello Atul, are you available? मतलब yeah, tomorrow is my holiday. So can you come for the costume trial? बोला yeah. Just tell me, this opportunity is really open. So he told me, हाँ, I think that is rescheduled. Okay. मैं तो भाग के गया वहां पे. Costume trial हो गया. Everything was done, but okay. The main thing that is payment. Well, no worries. I'm just getting the opportunity to work with Shah Rukh Khan. Remuneration वगैरह जो भी आप दे जो आप दोगे वो. Finally, I signed the agreement and चलो रोल क्या है रोल हाँ शाहरुख के दोस्त का रोल है. Okay. When is the shooting? Shooting on so and so date, XYZ date. So on the shooting location, to my family, to my friends, मैंने किसी को नहीं बताया. पता नहीं क्या है. And this is an ad film. This is not a film. So ad film itself वो ना 1 मिनट की होती है. 60 seconds और 45 seconds या 30 seconds की एक ad film होती है. मुझे पता नहीं. I was unaware कि वो क्या रोल क्या है. मैं दिखने वाला हूँ या नहीं. या शाहरुख इज डूइंग some talk and I was मैं पीछे खड़ा हूँ. क्या ऐसे कर रहा हूँ. हेलो ऐसे पता ही नहीं था. So I went to Mahbub studio on that particular date of shooting. 5 p.m. शाम के 5 बजे का कॉल टाइम था. ऑब्वियस मैं 4:30 बजे पहुंच गया था वहां पे. एंड आफ्टर हाफ एन आवर या कुछ 45 मिनट्स आफ्टर 45 मिनट्स एक लंबी साइकिल आई थी. साइकिल 2 साइकिल थी. वन इज एक साइकिल पे उनकी बेटी थी सुहाना. एक साइकिल पे मिस्टर शाहरुख खान बादशाह. उनके पीछे ढेर सारे 4-5 सब बॉडी गार्ड्स. उसके पीछे एक लंबी BMW. उसके पीछे एक पुलिस की वैन. उसके पीछे पुलिस भाग रहे और उसके पीछे उनकी लंबी सी वैनिटी. और बादशाह आ रहे थे साइकिल चलाते हुए बैंड्रा से घर से अपने शूटिंग लोकेशन पे. सो आई वाज लाइक दैट ओनली. ये ही शाहरुख खान. ही इज सो डाउन टू अर्थ. ही इज सो फोकस्ड. ओके. मुझे बताया गया कि या नाउ यू हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड. ये आपके दोस्त का रोल है और ये करना है. आपको उनके साथ डांस करना है. Am I dancing with supposed to dance with Shah Rukh Khan? So that choreographer told me yes, yeah, okay, fine. So they showed me the steps, but okay, that was the typical Shah Rukh Khan step, like ये बाहें फैलाओ ये सब था. That was really hard to perform actually. लेकिन वो कर लिया मैंने because I did that dance reality shows and all things. So after 6 or 7, yeah, around 7, Badshah Khan came on the location. I was sitting, my director was sitting, and obvious, once you see the Shah Rukh Khan, you obvious you just get up. I just got up. Hi, hello, sir. Myself, Atul. The director told me, yeah, Shah Rukh, this is Atul. He's doing your friend's role. And Atul, this is Shah Rukh Khan. But sir, I know him, sir. He doesn't need any introduction. Huh. And since 7 to 12 p.m., 12 in the midnight, I was shooting with Shah Rukh Khan. मुझे पता ही नहीं सेट पे कितने लोग हैं. मुझे पता ही नहीं सेट पे कितने को आर्टिस्ट है. मुझे पता ही नहीं मैं क्या कर रहा हूं. Those 4 hours was magical for me. So after 12, once we packed up, I just told Shah Rukh sir, I just need one pic. So he told me, now, not now, because we are wearing that ad films costume. So after pack, I'll give you. You come to my vanity and just tell them कि भाई अतुल आ गए. Sir, can you remember my name? Will you? Huh? Yeah, I can. Okay, fantastic. So after 12:30, मैंने से पूरा मन बना लिया कि भाई मैं उनको जाके पूछता हूँ. फॉर्चुनेटली उनके जो बॉडीगार्ड्स थे उनमें से एक जन था, वो मराठी था, सो ही वाज माय फैन. सो ही टोल्ड मी, सर आई नो यू सर, योर कॉमिक टाइमिंग इज एक्सेलेंट. मतलब थैंक यू सो मच. पहले एक काम कर, शाहरुख सर को बोला अतुल आ गया. तो ही वो गया अंदर, उसने बोला कि सर वो अतुल जी आ गए. वो नीचे आए, शाहरुख सर, अतुल just 1 minute, just give me 5 minutes. I have to do the interview with the channel guys. Just give me 5 minutes. So Shah Rukh Khan was begging for 5 minutes to me. Just give me 5 minutes, just please Atul. So I was like happy. Okay, go and do the interview. I was like that. After 5 minutes, मैंने जब देखा आजू बाजू में, I think around 200 to 300 young people were there who were the part of that shooting. जब आप एड देखोगी तो उसमें बहुत सारे जूनियर आर्टिस्ट भी हैं, जो लड़कियां हैं, लड़के हैं. वो आई थिंक दे वेर अराउंड इन द क्वांटिटी ऑफ 400 लोग थे. वो सब मैंने पैकअप होने के बाद समझा कि अरे हाँ, अरे इतने लोग हैं, इतने लोग थे शूटिंग में. एंड आई वाज लाइक, सो आफ्टर पैकअप आई जस्ट हैव अ क्लिक विद, मैंने उनके साथ एक फोटो निकाला. मैं घर पे आया, आई रिटर्न होम अराउंड 3:30. मैंने मेरे बीवी को उठाया, उठ माधुरी, उठ माधुरी. तो शी वाज लाइक, व्हाट यार नाउ? नहीं नहीं, मुझे बताना है आपको कुछ. क्या? डू यू नो टू whom with I work? मैंने किसके साथ काम किया? ऑन ऑन शाहरुख खान. व्हाट? शाहरुख खान? 3:30 से 5:30 तक हम लोग 2 घंटे बात करते रहे. 5:30 में स्ट्रेट फ्रेश होने के लिए गया, नहाया, डायरेक्ट शूटिंग लोकेशन पे गया था. दैट वाज नॉट, इट वाज मैजिकल मोमेंट्स देयर. मतलब कुछ तो था, कुछ तो अलग था. अभी मैं जब बोलता हूँ तो मुझे भी वो ना ये आ जाता है, पूरा गूज बम्स आ जाते. अभी बोलता हूँ मैं.
As you mentioned, you have also participated in dance show. So have you taken any formal training in dancing?
No formal training.
Yeah.
This is regarding formal training.
There is, you go, yeah, formal.
No, I don't think so. See, this is a field. ये ऐसा फील्ड है ना कि आप रेगुलर, मतलब कोई भी आदमी घर पे, ऑफिस में, कहीं भी जगह पे ये करते रहता है. एक्टिंग वो आपके ब्लड में है. सो आई मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये आपको सीखनी जरूरी है. जैसे आपको आपने प्यार करना कहाँ से सीखा, आपने बोलना कहाँ से सीखा, आपने सुनना कहाँ से सीखा. सो इसके लिए फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग्स नहीं है जरूरी. इट इज लाइक दिस ओनली एक्टिंग, दैट इज वेरी इन द ब्लड. आपके ब्लड में एक रेड सेल है, व्हाइट सेल है, कोलेस्ट्रॉल है और एक्टिंग है. तो उसके लिए सीखने की जरूरत नहीं है. हाँ, फॉर्मल मतलब पता होना चाहिए.
I was asking about dancing because you participated in a dance show.
अच्छा, डांस शो जैसे बोलो ना, मैंने जैसे एक्टिंग का होता है, डांस हर एक के मन में होता है, हर एक के बदन में होता है, हर एक के बॉडी में होता है. कभी कभी हम लोग शर्माते हैं, करूं नहीं करूं, करूं नहीं करूं. जो जो ठान लेता है कि मुझे करना है, वो डांसर होता है. जो ठानता नहीं है कि मैं कर नहीं पाऊंगा, तो पीछे रहता है. उसके लिए फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग कुछ नहीं थी. अंदर का सेटिस्फेक्शन, इनर सेटिस्फेक्शन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरीथिंग, फॉर एवरी वर्क. सी नाउ आई एम आंसरिंग योर क्वेश्चन. मुझे मजा आना चाहिए. आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा, आपको मजा आना चाहिए. लोग सुन रहे हैं, उनको मजा आना चाहिए. सो बेसिक थिंग इज मजा आना चाहिए, तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो.
You're also a theatre artist. So how different is theatre acting from the television shows? And if given a choice, what would be your preference? Theatre
No.
or TV?
सी मेरे 2 लड़के हैं. When I have 2 kids, so I can't tell you कि मुझे ये अच्छा लगता है, ये अच्छा लगता है. Both are lovable to me. Both are mine. हर जैसे थिएटर में I like to work in theater because I get the immediate response. आप जब लाइव शो करते हो, when you act in front of so many people, if you are doing good, they are giving the good response. If you are doing bad, once you do the bad, they will just, that is the reaction. So that is a exact reaction, that is a proper reaction, and that is इमीडिएट रिएक्शन. सो दैट इज नाइस. दैट इज मतलब थिएटर में काम करने के लिए इसलिए अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ मैंने काम किया, अच्छा किया तो लोग अच्छा ताली बजाएंगे. यहाँ पे काम करना है ऑन टीवी मीडिया और इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा, यू नो सामने कोई ऑडियंस नहीं है, यू नो सामने कोई एक्टर भी नहीं है, still you are doing the emotional things, still you are doing comic scenes. So that is, I think, quite difficult for an actor to get concentration to do the comedy scenes or emotional scene or any other scene in front of camera. While live, yeah, when you are doing live performance, all the actors are there in front of you, so you can communicate with them. But in the camera media or in film media or in serial media, कैमरा के आगे पीछे कोई नहीं होता आपका एक्टर को एक्टर, वो सब आपको ही करना है. सो दोनों जगह पे बड़े चैलेंजेस है, अच्छे एडवांटेजेस है, और दोनों चीजें मुझे अच्छी लगती है. सो आई कांट चूज वन.
During the
आई लव माय टू बिट्स.
pandemic, the entertainment industry as well as other industries, in fact, have suffered a setback. So, how was the year 2020 with you, and what are your upcoming projects?
पैंडेमिक की वजह से व्हेन दैट शटडाउन स्टार्टेड इन मार्च 2020, I was doing one drama in Marathi industry, that is एका लग्नाची पुढची गोष्ट, which is starred by Prashant Damle, the great Prashant Damle, the record holder Prashant Damle, and Kavita Lad and myself. In Marathi industry only, यहाँ पे रोज शो होते. I was busy for 30 days. I was doing almost 35 to 40 shows for month. That means 35 to 40 shows in 30 days. So I was quite busy. Fortunately, जितने भी शो मैंने किए, almost सब हाउसफुल थे. So it is quite happy. Yeah, it's a good feeling for you. You go to a theater is packed, and you are performing in front of around 1,000, 1,200 people, and they are clapping for you. They are just laughing. They are just enjoying your play. They are just enjoying your work. It is a good feeling. And suddenly in 21, or I don't know that Manu's date, lockdown happened. It was quite easy for us actors और बिजी एक्टर्स की, या ओके जिनके पास कुछ बैलेंस था, दे वर नाइस. लेकिन जो लोग बैकस्टेज आर्टिस्ट, दे हैव टू वर्क डेली काम किया तो डेली पैसा मिलेगा तो घर चलेगा, उनका काम ही बंद हो गया. 9 महीने काम बंद था, नो मनी नो इनकम. इट वाज क्वाइट हार्ड फॉर देम. और ये फीलिंग की वजह से ना बहुत ये सब क्यों हो गया यार, ये क्यों हुआ ऐसे. So it was quite emotional pandemic.
What are your
It is so
upcoming
bad.
projects? What are your
Sorry?
upcoming projects?
Upcoming projects, I have done one film with Priyadarshan sir, Hangama 2, which is with Paresh Rawal sir, Shilpa Shetty. And अभी shooting खत्म हुआ है, अभी dubbing भी हो गया, अभी shows भी चालू है. And I'm doing one comedy show on Star Prawaha, that is the Marathi channel. And one film is in the pipeline. So जैसे शूटिंग चालू हो गया है, इट इज गुड थिंग कि शूटिंग इज हैपनिंग, शूटिंग चल रहा है, शोज चल रहे हैं. लेकिन अभी फिर से अभी ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार सेकेंड वेव आ गया है, शायद ये वापस बंद हो या ना हो, पता नहीं. सो बस यही मतलब यही दुआ है कि कुछ ना हो, सब ठीक ठाक हो, सब क्लियर हो, और ये कोरोना वायरस, ये कोविड-19 खत्म हो जाए और सब रेगुलर हो जाए लाइफ. दैट्स इट.
Experience of Hangama 2, you said you have just finished.
Hangama 2 is happened just because of my friend Mr. Rajesh Deshpande. They were casting, and co-director, the writer Manisha Korde, she's Maharashtrian. So she asked my friend that Rajesh Deshpande, कोई है क्या बंदा ऐसा, ये ऐसा रोल है. So उसने मुझे बताया कि आप करोगे क्या. Yeah, I'll do. प्रियदर्शन सर, oh my God, that is a dream. और हो गया, जैसे शाहरुख खान के साथ काम करना हो गया एक दिन में, वैसे प्रियदर्शन सर के साथ काम करना हो गया. When I went for shooting in Manali, So being theater actor, I used to work a little more. Like अगर dialogue है, कहाँ हो? Okay. So being theater actor मेरा होता, कहाँ हो भाई?
Yeah.
ये होता ना भाई, we add the भाई और कहाँ हो? So Priyadarshan sir told me, Atul, you are doing very fine, but don't talk after I cut. But okay, sir, I don't know. Being theater actor, मैं बोलते रहता हूँ. नहीं, it is not required. और ये it was a nice experience because shooting process जो होता है ना, ये बहुत ना हेक्टिक होता है, बहुत काम करना पड़ता है. लेकिन when your director is organized, when your director knows when to cut and when to say action, it is a fun time job for shooting. And you won't believe, we used to start at around 10 in the morning, and we used to pack up around 3 or 4 in the evening. So in 5 hours, दो सीन 3 सीन हो जाते हैं. And one more thing, Paresh Rawal sir is doing lead role in this Hangama 2, और वो नाटक देखने आए थे हमारा, that एका लग्नाची पुढची गोष्ट. सो आफ्टर वॉचिंग द प्ले, ये वो मेकअप रूम में आ गए, उन्होंने बताया प्रशांत सर, और उनकी तो बहुत पुरानी पहचान है. सो ही टोल्ड प्रशांत सर, आई रियली लाइक दिस नाटक, आई रियली लाइक दिस ड्रामा, बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन आई कांट डू बिकॉज आप लोग जो मिठास लाते हो अपने काम से, वो मिठास मैं नहीं ला पाऊंगा. बाकी मैं काम पर कर पाऊंगा, लेकिन वो मिठास है प्रशांत तुम्हारी या अतुल, ये कौन है लड़का? आई वॉज न्यू टू हिम, ये कौन है लड़का, ये भी इतना अच्छा काम करता है. और मैंने बताया सर, आप आए थे हमारा नाटक देखने, मैं वही हूँ. अरे अतुल, यू आर देयर, ओके ओके. और उनके साथ ही सीन थे हमारे, तो बहुत अच्छे हो गए. जैसे पहले ही बोला कि व्हेन यू आर गुड एक्टर, व्हेन यू आर टैलेंटेड, व्हेन यू आर डूइंग योर जॉब वेरी नाइसली, इंडस्ट्री ऑलवेज वेलकम यू, एंड आई एक्सपीरियंस दैट.
What message would you like to give to the budding artists who would like to enter the entertainment industry?
There is no message, there is advice. Do your work with passion and patience. Work hard, deliver good, everything is yours. पहले काम करो, अच्छा काम करो, और अच्छा काम करो, और अच्छा काम करो, बाद में सब अच्छा होगा. लेकिन अच्छा काम करना बहुत जरूरी है. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू डिलीवर नाइसली.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us and giving us your time. And the viewers, I request everyone to please follow all the COVID-19 protocols. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू.